Hi everyone, we are back again with another latest video for the 26th of October. Now, if you guys seen the video we did for today, for the 24th, that we have marked out a few zones for selling, one up here, and a couple of zones for buying, one down here, another one right here. Now, what we have seen in the 1 hour chart, and we can see that what you see here is the fib I have marked for the entire bullish move from down here on the 15th of October, and now this is our last swing high, last swing low. This is no longer required, so I'm going to take it out, and here's our all-time high. When we look at the chart yesterday, we have marked out our fib from the most recent high to the most recent low, and we discussed that this particular area that coincides with the 61.8 fib level, and the left side shoulder, and here the broken for our last support that we expected to act as a strong resistance, which it actually done. As you see here, the price have retraced back up all the way to 61.8 level and had even bit up a little. We can see clearly price strength has started slowing down as it came up. If we go down to 50 minutes chart, and it becomes even more clear that it had a strong run all the way up to here, up until around midday into buy time, and then it's been ranging since and barely going up ever so slightly, and picked up when it reached here. Now what I see is, you can see there's a small resistance here as well. It managed to touch that zone right to the middle of it and then push down. Okay. So what do we have here now? It's 23rd October, 4:45. So just a little bit after the open. I'm going to take it out now. Anyway, in the big picture, it came all the way back up to 61.8 and touched the last 4 hour resistance, last 4 hour support that was broken, now acting as a resistance, and also the level of the left shoulder in this entire move, and it pushed down. Same time, there was some news which had positive results for the US dollar. In turn, it gives bearish pressure to the gold. Unfortunately, for some reason, the dollar didn't move up today. It was attempting to go, but eventually it was ranging in the point. Somehow we executed our sells over here as we have planned. Yes, as you can see, this is also one of the sell zones from our yesterday's forecast video, and this was the other one. The price didn't reach there, and we got ourselves here, and if you go and have a look at our live stream, you could see how we got all this move. I was really anticipating for the move to come all the way up, at least down here. Somehow I didn't have enough strength, didn't have enough liquidity. So what I'm hoping, it came down and managed to reach the buy zone, which again, so if I'm gonna take this fib out, and we really have a line on the fib, and we flip this whole bullish move, you can see that it also again coincides with 61.8 level, which again acts as a strong support, along with this wick up here, this high that has broken, creating a breakout structure to upside on the small time frame, in the 50 minutes time frame, or 5 minutes ago. if you're trading 5 minutes. So high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, retracement, and got all this liquidity set up. Now let's have a look at what this area is. And from this our London low today. It's really Asia liquidity somewhere here or here. So I was hoping it would come all the way up here, down there, at least before it can go back up. So what I see is that it didn't make its way all the way down here, which means probably the buying pressure is so high, or it did not get enough sells by reaching up here. So it might have probably gonna have to go up to the sell zone tomorrow before it can crash down all the way to 20 minus 27 area. It appears to be okay. We're gonna have to change that flip again. Anyway, now what I see here, since it came down to 61.8, it could end up reaching 27 minus 27, which then again is our sell zone. With our sell zone that I'm gonna be looking for sells. If it's gonna break and close about this area. If it breaks about this 27.58.46, then I'm not going to be looking for any more sells. At that point, it invalidates any of the sells we'll be looking for, and it becomes a market for the buyers again. So I'll be looking for buys if that happens. But until then, I'll be looking for sells right here. So now we have we can safely say that all the liquidity is being cleared in this area, so we can take this out. No longer required. So what we're looking for is this is how we upload here. If it, let's say if it will have enough liquidity to go up, it might slowly climb up. Pull your back, come down, back, go up, something like this. Before to break this low, retrace, come back, bounce back there, and reach down here. So this is what I'm hoping for. One of the things that could happen, it's just a possibility. This can happen. Otherwise, go down here, go up there, come down. This is 7 New York low, right? Do that, do something like that. Come down here in the middle section. So you can start picking it up. Probably one bit down here. So if the ratio liquidity up as well. Then push it all the way and either reach here or break the structure to the upside. So this is all I'm looking for tomorrow. And it's very straightforward. Not so much confusions, not that complicated. But one thing to remember, the large scale of things, we still have a lot of liquidity that the price didn't touch. So it kept pushing up, and pretty sure there's a lot of buyers. Stop losses are waiting here in all these areas. I'm gonna have to figure out. I'm not worried about all these things for tomorrow. I don't think it will have enough liquidity to crash all the way down here. Even if it did, I don't think it will be able to bounce back up very quickly. So now, this is it for tomorrow. And check out our live trading on YouTube. It's GoldX. You can search GoldX live trading, and I will find it. And I will also. If you're seeing this video, you definitely know the channel, so subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends. You can benefit. You want to learn a thing or two from the knowledge I'm sharing, and if you're interested in the methods. And the way I'm trading is very simple. I don't want to make it complicated. There are a lot of methods out there. Yes, there are various names, and you can follow or whatever you make. But it's a simple analysis and simple forecast next day. So let's keep our eyes in these areas now. One more thing I forgot to mention. There's definitely liquidity going around in these areas from the early buyers, and so that's why there's a possibility it can be done and come down before it's going up. So, and throughout the Asian session tomorrow, it could even go up, come down, and generate Asian liquidity up here, and then come down during the London session and come up a little bit, clear out that liquidity in the New York session before it comes crashing down. That's it for tomorrow. And if it for some reason start crashing down, if US dollar keep going up for some fundamental reason, stuff like wars that's happening or anything else that we might not even hear about, it could end up coming all the way down to the 50 or even 68.8, but definitely not tomorrow. Maximum can reach tomorrow is 50, which is also very doubtful to my way of thinking and my experience and knowledge. So that's it for tomorrow. You can check out our Telegram channel. We'll be sharing our trades at the time of entering or even before we enter. So anybody wants to follow that and learn from it and practice in your demo accounts and see how it works. Up to you. Alright guys, that's for tomorrow. It's the weekend, so there's no need to rest too much for tomorrow. Probably it's gonna be everybody will be trading for a while now. That Friday can be a trap day, so try not to get caught up in a trap on Friday, and then you can have to, if you're a swing trader or somebody, hold your trades in a drawdown throughout the weekend. So that's it. Catch you guys Sunday for the Monday forecast. Have a good one. Cheers guys.